Welcome to MTS Technik Workshop. My name is Kacper, and after watching this video, you will know everything there is to know about a coilover suspension kit designed for BMW E39 5 Series with rear-wheel drive, equipped with conventional or Nivo rear suspension. Kits for cars with conventional suspension can also be used as conversion kits for cars originally equipped with Nivo. The conventional kit is available in two variants, street and stance. They differ in spring stiffness depending on your needs. We have put threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc coating for durability on the front axle and equipped both strut towers with hexacoil adjustment nuts. Thanks to the use of a small clamping screw, all your adjustments will now be easy, safe and secure. We utilize springs manufactured by renowned German company eibach. These are ERS-type springs with linear characteristics. Thanks to their internal diameter of 60 millimeters, they allow for easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. Moreover, we also added helper springs to provide preload to the main springs. In the rear, we use distinctly yellow sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, tailored for lowered suspension. They have increased damping force compared to the OEM ones. Kits designed for cars equipped with Nivo suspension on the rear axle utilize an adjustable regulating rod to adjust rear suspension height. Kits designed for cars with conventional suspension also use eibach ERS-type springs on the rear axle, with helper springs to provide preload for the mainspring. The kit also includes dedicated bump stops, dust covers, and black anodized aluminum spring caps on the front struts. And if you choose to buy a kit for car with conventional suspension, you'll also get a black anodized aluminum height adjuster for the rear axle. If you want to go an extra mile in customizing your ride, you can also order this kit with dedicated camber plates. They allow for smooth adjustment of camber angle and modification of caster angle. Ours are made of black anodized aluminum and steel and feature a uni-ball bearing, ensuring rigidity and reliability. If you want to continue your upgrades later, it's not a problem. Camber plates are also available separately. Of course, we also included an adjustment wrench, 2 MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation, such as installation manual and TUV certificate. Thanks for watching.